Okay, we're back and we're gonna just start wrapping up this piece for the home slide. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add some images. The first images we're gonna add will be the ones that go for each of these little unit slides, unit points. So unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 should each have a specific image. This image should be one that has been provided to you by your instructor. They told you where to get it. Make sure you place it into your folder for this specific ePortfolio project. That way you have it organized. I'm going to add the image, and it's very simple. All you need to do is move your mouse over the little landscape that has a mountain and the sun. Double click. And that should open up the Insert Picture dialog box. Now I am inside my ePortfolio project folder. Inside of there is the folder that your instructor gave you, the HomeSlide files. So these are files that are connected with this slide. Go ahead and double click. And you'll see that there are different images, each named for each of the units. Right now we're looking at human-computer interaction, so we will select that icon and say Insert. And that should replace the little image of the mountain there. We're going to go ahead and continue and add the other ones. And then you just double click and go through all of them. I'm going to let you do the rest and I'll come back with it all done, and I'll meet you here once you're all done with this. At this point you should have all of the little images, picture icons in the corner added. Now we're just going to add one last thing. As one little feature, you get to choose what you want to add, but we're adding clip art. Clip art is a small little image like these that you can add to your presentation on any slide. So we don't want to crowd it too much with too many images, so we're just going to choose one to customize it a little. Where you're going to go is you're going to go to the Insert tab and then select Clip Art. When you do that, you'll get a window that appears to the right. I've already went ahead and typed in trophy, which is what you're going to do, and then what you're going to do is you're going to search everywhere. What that means is it'll search the computer and office collection and web collections. If you're not connected to the internet or don't have access to the internet, you may not get certain results. As you can see down below here, some images that came up for me, the ones that have a little globe, those represent some that came from the internet. The other thing I want you to note is make sure you search all media types for this first part. So go ahead and press go. I'll do it again, and you'll see I came up with a lot of results here, a lot of images. Okay. Here's what I want you to do though that's differently. For today, we want to drop down the media types. We don't want sounds, we don't want movies, we don't even want photographs. All we want are simple clip art images. Go ahead and press go again. Make sure you do press go. You'll notice that the images are a little bit more like pencil and line art. For this case, we want one of these because the clip art images, though they might be a little more simple, and that's true, they're actually smaller in size also, which means your PowerPoint presentation doesn't consume as much disk space than if you load it up with a ton of images. So let's go ahead and choose. I'm not really concerned about which trophy you choose, but do make sure that it's a clip art. I'm going to go ahead and choose this red one because I think it kind of goes with the colors that we're currently using. And you just want to flank, meaning put two trophies on both sides. To make them equal in size, here's a little trick. You can drag another clip art image, or you can right click on it, copy it, come over here, right click and paste. You're going to want to use your arrow keys and line them up, and then just press the left arrow key over to the left. And there we go. We flanked, meaning we've put two trophies opposite our title, Learning Accomplishments. If this title could be just a little bigger, it could draw a little bit more attention. And there we go. At this point you should have your home slide started and your title slide started, and now you should have finished started your home slide. Make sure that you've got all this wrapped up, and we'll see you soon for the next video when we start connecting the specific unit slides to this home slide.